Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi option not showing on Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Wi-Fi, click Enable. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update, click Windows Update. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Wired Auto Config. Change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the Service, click Apply, click OK. Restart System. Fourth method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Restart System. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.